today my project.
What is your name?
My name is Jonathan.
Okay. What did you make today?
And I made dancing birds.
Okay. And what does it do?
The two birds spins.
They dance.
It dances around.
Okay.
This is how it works.
Okay. Dancing pretty smoothly. And by the way, did you complete any challenge task today? What kind of change did you make to the basic structure?
I used the gears to turn two birds all together.
So what were you using originally?
Strings.
Rubber bands.
Rubber bands.
So you changed the rubber bands into gears.
Yes.
Did you have any problem that I helped you solve?
Yes.
What kind of problem is that?
The gears, how to connect them and spin it together.
Okay. Alright. Good job, Jonathan. See you next week.